okay, how do you choose from so many different amazing resources out there? But I definitely recommend you checking out Between Silk and Cyanide by Leo Marks. Marks was a crypto genius who became the head of communications at the Special Operation Executive during World War II. He revolutionized code making techniques used by the Allies to overcome the enemy. What I love about this book is the insight it gives you into just how important cryptography was back then and also is in today's present day technology. The ingenuity of distributing one-time pads on silk sewn into soldiers' uniforms who are parachuted into enemy lands, it just blows my mind every time I read the story. Amazing insights, a fascinating book, and it will definitely make you think about cryptography in a different light.
If you're interested in cybersecurity or you're just getting started out in it, the book that I would recommend is Transformational Security Awareness by Carpenter. And it discusses what neuroscientists, storytellers, and marketers can teach us about driving secure behaviours.
My book recommendation is The Crafty Kid's Guide to Electronics. 1, it's fun, and 2, you begin to learn about how things work.
The only operating system that doesn't change in tech is the human one, and learning it will serve your entire career. Great place to start, Thinking Fast and Slow by Daniel Kahneman.
Hey folks, my name's Lance Spitzner, and the book I'm going to recommend is a book called Switch by Dan and Chip Heath. Now remember, security is not just about technology, it's also about the human factor, the human element. And the book Switch does an awesome job of introducing to you how people think and operate, but most importantly, how to change human behavior. So, Switch by Dan and Chip Heath.
Kevin D. Mitnick's Art of Intrusion gives you really good insight about cybersecurity. It talks about real-life hacking and intruders. So enjoy the book.
If you're looking to get into cybersecurity, especially infrastructure cybersecurity, I'd recommend any book on networking fundamentals. This is the one that I started with, the CISCO CCNA. Once you understand the underlying architecture of a network and how computers speak to each other, you'll then be able to understand how to protect them.